This is the inside of the Sencor SD-6650 cassette deck. I just took this apart, took off the faceplate, because for some reason there was just a loud hum on one of the channels. I thought one of the connections of the head was loose, but a little bit of messing around with the wires already fixed that problem, and it's working now. I have these headphones hooked up, can press play. The display. Then the stop button. Now there is a little bit of a problem in the mechanism. I think it's just, well, some oil that's missing somewhere, because you can't really see it. It's down there in the mechanism. There is a big cogwheel that controls all the mechanism. If you press those buttons, it's a soft touch thing, and if you press those buttons, the wheel gets turned somehow, and depending on the position of that wheel, well, the mechanism does something. And if I press the stop button, you can hear the wheel turning. Oops. And sometimes the wheel gets stuck on its way, and then, well, the only method to fix it is to make bum, and then it goes. Of course, that's really annoying, but I can't really see what's going on in there, so I better don't put any oil in there. Now you can see for an 80s cassette deck, this is really well built. All made of metal, the whole housing. You can see main circuit board and another one for the connectors. And there is another circuit board which is there for whatever reason. And I think it connects the heads to the electronics themselves. I don't know why they put it in there. And then there is this wire here which is cut for some reason. I don't know. I think back when I got this cassette deck I already wondered what that wire did, but I couldn't find the other end, so maybe that was done by the producer for whatever reason. Two fuses. And yeah, it even has a voltage selector on the back, which is this thing right there. See the motor, Sencor motor. And now when I got this cassette deck, I had to replace all the belts because they were, well, they were melted or they were in the process of melting. There is a flat belt for driving the flywheel. Then there is another belt down there, which well, does drives the take-up and supply reel, I think. And then there is also the connection from the take-up reel to the counter. I replaced that belt with such a rubber band. I think I'm going to replace that with a real belt right now. You can see the mechanism. It's really well made. And now the auto stop mechanism is also really interesting. And of course you can't really see it. Oops. Now, what you can see there is a wheel which has those holes in it, and there is a light sensor or something like that. I think it's a light sensor, And if this wheel turns, also that round that disc with the holes turns, and then the electronics know that everything is alright. You can press play, and oh, okay. Oh, I think there it goes, and there you can see that disc spinning. The camera makes it look slower than it actually is spinning. It's really fast. Maybe you can see it from the better from there. You can see it a little bit better. There it is. That's for the auto stop system. Has also the music search feature. Now it's in playback, so if you press now, for example, fast forward, it lifts the heads away from the tape a little bit and goes into fast forward mode, and this light comes on, and let's press play again to see how everything works. This is pause. Really well made, I would say. It's a really nice cassette deck. And, well, I hope you enjoyed this video.